The latest Big Island market update is in. We'll take a look coming up next. Hey, what's happening, friends? The latest market update is in. So we're going to take a look at what's happening on the Big Island real estate market. And the first overall summary is, this is the number we always look at, is active listings. We actually are a little bit up from last month. We are up about 61 active listings. We were closer to 1,800 last month. So listings are going up a little bit, but still not significantly and not anywhere near where listings were pre-COVID, which I've always referred to back to is above 3,500 listings is what that number was normally pre-2020. And so still very low number of listings. And the number of properties under contract has remained pretty steady around 700. So we're still right there. The average final listed sold price is 92.8%. That's across the board for all types of property. And the average days on market is 77. So all of that pretty stable. If we look at the monthly comparison, and this looks at, right now we're looking at residential data, so just single family homes. This tells us the number of sales and then median price. So in terms of number of sales, we had 172 homes sell last month versus 163 the month previous and 186. So a little bit down from a year ago, but up from last month. And then if we look at the median price is actually up. So 552 versus last month at 530, and a year ago it was 509. So median price is up, even though number of sales is down. In the condo market, same thing. The current sales are 46, which is actually more than they were a year ago, only 40 a year ago, but down a little bit. It was 56 last month. On the median price standpoint, we are down from last month, but if we look at a year ago, we are up. So 528,000 median price this past month, and a year ago was 504. And then on the land market, we are down in terms of number of sales. So 147 sales this month. There was 172 the previous month, and then last year it was 190. And just like the condo market, median price is up from a year ago. So 45,000 median price. A year ago was 41,000. It is down a little bit from last month, but overall median prices versus last year are about steady, just a little bit higher. And the big story here, which I always like to look at, is number of sales, right? So price is what it is. Price is stable, but in terms of number of sales, when we look at this yearly chart here, we were seeing this upward tick in the number of sales, which peaked back in June at 501 sales. And then we saw a big drop off, a little jump back up, but now we're seeing a downward trend again. So there's only 369 overall sales in the month of October. There was 393 back in September, 429 back in August. So the number of sales is slowing down. These are traditionally slow months in the Big Island real estate market. Not as many visitors in the fall months, and a lot of times these pick back up come the winter months when visitors come back. But overall, market activity has slowed significantly in terms of number of sales, but prices are not falling. So that's also reflected in, you would think that the number of active listings would go up, which has not happened. So overall, the market is stable. We've kind of been seeing this trend. Aside from the fluctuation of number of sales, median price has been very stable this year, or just up a little bit. And what it means to you as a buyer or a seller is it's this really odd market where, as a seller, really low inventory, so it's a good time to be on the market. There's not that much competition. And then on the buy side, number of buyers are low also, right? Number of sales are down, so it's actually a good time to be in the market as a buyer because you don't have as much competition as you did in previous years. And so it's something to think about. Interest rates are still high, but at the end of the day, a very good takeaway I heard this past week at a conference that I was at is real estate is the only asset available to normal people where you can realize 100% of the gain of the asset with only a small percentage down. So you can buy real estate with 5, 10, 20, 25% down and you can realize 100% of that asset's appreciation over time, where in most cases you have to do very complicated regulated financial trading in like the stock market in order to do that, right? If you want to buy $100,000 in Tesla stock and only put $20,000 down, you're not going to be able to do that and realize 100% of the gain in that stock over time, where you can do that with real estate. So even with interest rates being where they're at, if you're ready, willing, and able to buy, buying real estate is always a hedge against rent inflation. And we've been seeing a huge amount of rent inflation over the last couple of years, which will continue. So you may want to just lock yourself into a 30-year mortgage payment today at the interest rates as they are. And you know that payment will never increase. And in the future, if interest rates come down, you will have the opportunity to refinance at that time. So it's a pretty stable, steady market. Not a lot of big news in the last few months, and going forward, it doesn't seem like anything's going to change dramatically. But as always, I'll keep you up to date. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can always hit me up at dylan@buybigisland.com if you have any questions. There's always a link to book a meeting with me if you want to talk about your plans or your situation in the comments below. And I'll see you guys with the market update next month. Aloha.